see.
Okay.
But they are doing a new musical staged reading experimental project of Mice and Men. I think it's going to be amazing, and I think you would be perfect for the stupid one. You know, not the Gary Sinise one, the Malkovich one.
Right, the fat one.
The fat one, yes, that would be you. Great. So listen, they're casting today. I told the casting director that you would be on your way. Bring your book, headshot resume, make sure my name's on it, 10%, you know how we work. Anyway, go there and get the part of Mice and Men, Lenny, the stupid fat one. Thank you.
All right,
bye.
thank you. Bye. Hi.
Hi.
I'm here for the audition, the Mice and Men musical.
Huh?
The Mice and Men musical. I just got off the phone with my agent. She has me.
Of Mice and Men.
Yeah,
She told you it was of Mice and Men.
of Mice and Men, yes.
Great. Okay, so it's the new Boys to Men musical. Boys to Men. We were looking. We were. I don't know if you're familiar with the supergroup from the late '80s, early '90s, but predominantly African American cast. But do you? I mean, you don't have any like Boys to Men in your book, do you?
Of course I do.
Of course you do. When you're ready.
Close your eyes, make a wish, and blow out the candlelight. For tonight is just you and I. We're gonna celebrate. It's gonna be a long night. Pour the wine, light the fire.